Bullish Iotex cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 34 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Iotex could reach 15 cents by 2025. Bearish Iotex market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Iotex presentation. Iotex, in the same way as other crypto projects that held such a lot of commitment in the past, encountered a downtrend in June 2022. As innovation develops as of late, the need to make a crossing point between the advanced world and the actual world increments. Be that as it may, because of the extremely flexible nature of innovation in the web, rivalry in this specific area increments. The fight becomes who can present and market preferred as a rule over which task can be more productive. That is the reason many accept that Iotx's triumphs are simply publicity, and that their utilization case isn't as adaptable and all-around incorporated into the world they're attempting to address. We have gone through every one of the signs that could validate these declarations are bogus. Is Iotx as cutting edge as they present to us, or is it won't get by over the long haul? Is it a wise venture as long as possible? How unmistakable is their future guide, and what are the cost gauges for the token? What is Iotex, the coin for the machine economy? Iotex is the protection-driven and decentralized blockchain network that is pushing the story of individual information control and democratization, gadget robotization, and coordination of the computerized network, metaverse, and the actual world. They're fabricating a framework that permits the collaboration of machines and market members while creating simpler and quicker techniques for security safeguarding and front-running the coming of Blockchain 3.0. Iotx is the local badge of the Iotx network that was made on the possibility of information security and control. One of the many issues of the web is that following of data is wild, which numerous people view as a break of their protection and control. Iotx is said to act as a stage that gives the clients a command over the inflow and outpouring of information from their gadgets. This means that they're permitted to control what befalls their own data while profiting by it. The group behind the formation of this innovation is profoundly gifted and adaptable in machine and canny learning, disseminated frameworks, gadget computerization, and designing. It was established by Roland Chai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. This is to demonstrate that albeit the instruments of the symbolic activity are mind-boggling, the role-assigned proof-of-stake agreement system utilizations of Iotx. Iotx guarantees the well-being and security of individual information while giving away to them to acquire by offering to huge firms, outsiders, and organizations. It likewise fills in as a dampness and strain sensor. It goes about as an entrance between the web as it spans the genuine and the computerized world. It goes about as cross-chains between conventions like Ethereum and the Binance Savvy chain, and sidechains. Iotx memorable cost. The Iotx token was sent off through an ICO on the 14th of February 2018 for 1 cent per coin to financial backers. By the start of 2021, Iotx was exchanging at $0, prior to energizing to a high of 26 cents in November 2021 and shutting the year at 12 cents. Iotx current cost. Iotx is presently worth 3 cents USD. Iotx has moved 3.63% as of now with an exchanging volume of $24,071,064. Iotx is presently positioned 120 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $309,269,823 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Iotx to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Iotx market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Iotx value expectation 2022. Iotx, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Iotx cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 5 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Iotx is supposed to have a base worth of 4 cents. Iotx value forecast 2023. In 2023, Iotx cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Iotx will before long outperform 8 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Iotx's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. Iotx will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a normal trading cost of 7 cents. Iotex value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 12 cents and Iotx might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Iotx is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 11 cents and a low of 10 cents in 2024. Iotex value expectation 2025. In the event that Iotex effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Iotx coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Iotx will be green in 2025. The Iotx is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 15 cents, with a base cost of 13 cents and a typical cost of 14 cents. Iotex value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Iotx cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 18 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 17 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Iotx has a most extreme value worth of 19 cents. Iotx value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 21 cents. On the off chance that Iotx figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 22 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Iotx needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 20 cents. Iotx value expectation 2028. While Iotx is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 24 cents and a yearly cost close above 26 cents in 2028. Iotx value forecast 2029. By 2029, Iotx will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 27 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 29 cents. Averaging out at 28 cents. Iotx value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Iotx cost in 2030 is projected to be 34 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 32 cents. What is the Iotx cost today? Today, Iotx is exchanging at 3 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $309,269,823. Is Iotx a wise venture? Iotx ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Iotx is a decent decision.